Hello my dear visitors and subscribers, nice to meet you here again at Crazy Engines channel. Today we continue our work with the Saito FA180 single cylinder engine, and right now it's totally cleaned, assembled back. You will see the part of this assembling a few frames later and mounted on the bench. There is it's a PT, but I can't measure its revolutions, its speed, due to the some problem occurred. So probably you know what does it mean. So during the first examination and test run, engine shows so terrible and incredible thrust, and it really thucked my tachometer inside the prop, and that's why I have a another prop installed, and so there is a parts of tachometer. That's all I have. But anyhow, let's watch the whole story. Thank you. So yeah, simply putting engine parts. These are small metal particles which were found after engine cleaning the bottom of the ultrasonic bath. So, the new bearings are installed. The crankcase is still hot. I will wait a little bit for cool it down, and then we'll install the crankshaft. Crankshaft in place, adding some oil. So, we're ready to the second run. Just install the prop and to the bench. So, my dear viewers and subscribers, I should say that this small additional run of the Saito FA180 engine, after refurbishment, it was very necessary for me to convince myself and to convince my audience that the refurbishment was provided correctly and successfully. For that reason, I found a unit, tachometer, which is not dedicated to measure the two blades probes, so we will get readings, but we will divide it by 2 and we will get exact readings in revolutions per minute. So thank you for watching. And so you can see engine holds and works greatly on the idle, and it really outperforms itself on the top speed with a so huge propeller. So I think the operation was successful. Thank you again for watching, and see you soon at Crazy Engine channel again. Wish you a very nice day. Thank you. Bye.